2012 Buick LaCrosse Premium One Group, 4D Sedan, and Leather. Flex Fuel. If you're looking for an used vehicle in fantastic condition, look no further than this 2012 Buick LaCrosse. You won't need to get out your tools for a long time when you drive this puppy home. Great condition is one of the most desirable traits in a used vehicle, and this LaCrosse is the definition of it. All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.